Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how to learn a code. If you ever want to learn code, there are many computer software, ads, websites, and there are tons of places on internet that will teach you skills you need to get started, and many of them are free as well. In this video you'll learn how to code, and this video will probably focus on beginners to learn absolute basic of programming. So let's get started. The first one is the Upskills. Upskill is the one which most of you have never heard of. They offer a bit of courses for web development with new content being added on. The style of teaching is in a conversational way that makes you feel learning from your grandma. Their essential web developer course cover full stack development, which they also call as bootcamp. The intention of this is to take you from a beginner to advanced developer that can perform every task. They offer 145 courses to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. The next one is the Odin project. The Odin project is the one in which Backing Code School focus primarily on web development. They'll teach you skills for web development all the way up to fully functional websites. Along the way, you'll end up learning JavaScript, HTML, Git, database, Ruby, etc. The next one is the Free Code Camp. This site have interactive learning program designed to learn and make accessible to anyone. There are several skills to choose from, including HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, along with many others. The next one is the Coding Game. Coding Game was recently featured in a great way to improve your programming skills in an entertaining way with more than 25 languages to choose from and the way you want to learn, and you can participate in international online programming and consist of multiplayer programming games which you can play and develop your programming skills. Next one is the w3school.com. w3school.com was created in 1998, is one of the most oldest and most popular website with more than 10 million visitors every day. In this website you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP and many others, etc. Another one which has been around for a long time that most of you have known is the Khan Academy. They offer beginner courses in computer programming like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, SQL, and they offer advanced courses as well. Next up is a learning site from Journal Assembly called Dash, focused on teaching you web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and projects. The projects include building a personal website, blog theme, small business websites, build CSS robots, etc. The next up is the EDX. EDX is a non-profit organization created by NIT in Harvard University. You can browse the selection of courses in computer science category, but some of the items in EDX is easy to find what you are looking for by doing a single research. The last one is the SoloLearn. SoloLearn is one of the organized sites to learn coding. It is similar to another websites. Unlike Code Academy, SoloLearn is completely free and non-profit, and none of the features are behind paywall. They have 12 programming tutorials including C++, Python and many others. One of the best thing about SoloLearn is your progress can be synced with Android and iOS apps, so you can always pick from wherever you're left off. Thanks for watching. All links are in the description. Get this video a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon.